Would you rather sneeze pure confetti and forget one memory each time? I know it's a very odd question. Or hiccup fire and remember someone else's trauma. Now you don't feel the confetti and you don't feel the fire, so it's not like you're hurting yourself when you're doing these
Okay,
things.
but also you run the risk of catching something on fire if you hiccup fire, but also you lose one memory, but then also you don't want to gain the trauma of someone else. I feel like the fire and the trauma is just two negatives, whereas at least the confetti is harmless.
But you forget one memory each time though.
Yeah, you might just have to live life on your own and just be hired for kids' birthday parties and just sneeze confetti for your living.